a very rich legacy. Work is one of the oldest survey organizations in the world, and the work that Survey of India has done has helped in building most of the infrastructure in this country. I am glad to see also General Girish Kumar here, the earlier Surveyor General, and he had made a very interesting observation, which I remember. He said that a country is defined by three things. One is its flag, one is its currency, and one is by its border and by its map. And the Survey of India is got the custodian of the third such important component of our national identity. And I think what's happened post the geospatial policy is that there's been a huge fillip to Indian industry, to the adoption and the need for adoption of geospatial technologies. And it has been a very interesting phenomena that a lot of Indian GIS and mapping companies have been doing work internationally, companies like ours, and now we've been given the opportunity to work in our own country, and I think that's really a big step forward as far as the policy goes, and as far as the willingness of institutions like Survey of India to partner with the private sector in furthering the interests of our country and national development. So without much ado, I think one would like to talk about what we are doing in the concept of digital twin. We have been investing as Genesis a lot in map content in India. And I think we are at a stage now where we would like to also show the progress in which what has been done so far, and areas in which there's a partnership with the Survey of India's capabilities. We have now launched, or we're creating actually the digital twin of India. What is the digital twin? As the grammatical connotation says, that it is a exact replica of the object in question. I think mapping evolution is there now such that we are moving from being in a position to engage with the world in an absolute precise geometry as it was earlier possible from a 2D standpoint, but also from a 3D standpoint. We have a small video here which illustrates the concept and the evolution of mapping as we see it today. And I think that we have an opportunity today in India that we can create such digital map products out of Indian indigenous capability that we have shown in other areas of digital infrastructure, be it in payments or be it in identity and be it in even individual geocoding. That's a very wonderful thought that our Surveyor General, in fact, very briefly had spoken about earlier. So let's look at this video, and we'll be elaborating more on that.
Welcome to today's exploration of the fascinating world of Geographic Information System and map content, where we'll delve into the work done in highly accurate, fully navigable 2D mapping coupled with 3D GIS, digital twins and their maturity model. Welcome to the world of Genesis and the world of Survey of India. Our journey begins with the foundation of GIS, 2D mapping. Maps have been two-dimensional representations providing valuable insights into geographical features. These maps serve as a baseline for understanding spatial relationships. Now, let's elevate our perspective to the third dimension. Our real world is in 3D. 3D GIS adds depth and dimensions to our maps, allowing us to visualize and analyze geographic data in a more immersive way. This becomes crucial in understanding complex urban landscapes. Enter the era of digital twins, virtual replicas of the real world. The digital twin concept takes GIS to a whole new level, offering a dynamic representation of physical entities. This includes buildings, infrastructure, and the environment, enriched with real-time data. This is as per the vision of the new geospatial policy for an Atmanirbhar Bharat. A Bharat now capable of creating world-class indigenous products. Now, let's explore the way Genesis sees through the maturity model of digital twins, which progresses through different stages. Geometric twin, informative twin, interactive twin, autonomous twin, and predictive twin. This evolution will mark the entry of the Indian geospatial digital capability into a world-class offering solving real citizen problems in one of the largest economies of the world. In the geometric twin stage, precision is not just a goal but a meticulous process. It forms the fundamental foundation of digital twin models. The Genesis